Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be removing the smoked out tinting that's on the rear lights of my Porsche 911 991. Let's go check it out. Take it off. Get it on. Hey guys, welcome back. So, okay, maybe it's just a product of me being under quarantine and lockdown and getting a little bored. But the more I've been talking about my mods and the more people have been commenting, making suggestions, I've had quite a few people now suggest that the rear lights look a little bit two-dimensional, even more two-dimensional than the first generation 991 rear lights look anyway. As you know, or as you probably know if you're a 911 maniac like me, the second generation 991 rear lights have three-dimensional lights where they, it's not just one simple finish. They are truly three-dimensional. You can touch them and they go in and down and out again. They look really, really nice. I've never been 100% sold on the first generation rear lights. But now that now they're like completely blacked out, they look even more two-dimensional. I can see that. And it wasn't until somebody mentioned it out that I started to think about it. And then now maybe half a dozen people have commented on it. I'm quite keen to see what these lights are gonna look like without the tinting on. Now, the good thing is I've got loads of spare tinting, so if I want to put it back on, I can. But it's going to be kind of fun to play around for the next half an hour to remove the tail lights, get the heat gun on them just a little bit, take off the tinting, put it back in, see what it looks like, and you know what? It's a fun excuse to make a video. If I don't like how they look, back to normal without the tinting on, I can always put the tinting back on. You know, what else have I got to do in the evening? So let's get it on. Wait, let's get them off. So just a short video today. Tell me what you think. Do you like the rear lights without the tinting? Or did you prefer them the way they were? Looking at the car right now, I think as much as I liked the tinting and thought it sort of, had a very different kind of cool look to it, I really like how alive and sort of slightly more three-dimensional the tail lights look now. I don't know, maybe I'm just bored and here at home and twiddling my thumbs and finding something interesting to do. The last thing I need to do with the rear of the car is just get the Porsche emblem redone. I'm gonna try and do that myself, assuming I don't ruin the wrap. Otherwise, I don't know, see how confident I feel. But usually the emblems are pretty easy to take off. But yeah, they need to be spaced out a little more. The spacing in between the letters isn't right. So apart from that, that's probably it for now. At least for today. Thanks for checking out my videos as always, and I'll see you in the next one soon. Take care. Bye.